Can you start a YouTube channel for 50 bucks a month? I'm going to show you two softwares that helps me do that. I started this YouTube channel very recently. It's called Lazy Boy MTL. I figured I'd try to share as much information as possible of how I started it, what programs I used to start it. I used Wondershare Filmora. This is the picture of it, so everybody can see what it looks like when you go and search for it, so you get the right one. And I also used Canva, which is right here as well. I edited all my videos using Wondershare Filmora, and I created my my thumbnails. You could also create tons of stuff on Canva. It's a great program to use, very cheap. I do have the premium package, which is only about $19.99 a month, which is very cheap. And Filmora, Wondershare Filmora, I pay about $33 a month. So if you're looking for two cheap softwares to use in order to create your YouTube channel, I suggest you give them both a look. I'm going to post the links to them down in the description for anybody who wants to take a look at them. They are great programs, very user-friendly. I am a novice at best of having to edit videos and having to create logos or thumbnails or whatever it is that you need to do with Canva. And I think it worked out pretty good. They're very user friendly. There's many tutorials on YouTube to use both softwares. If you're having a little bit of trouble of editing or learning how to edit or learning how to create thumbnails, very, like I said, very user friendly. So this is my first video. I'm going to show you guys not how to use the softwares, but this video was done with those softwares and edited with those softwares. Thumbnail was created with Canva. So I want to wish everybody good luck in their YouTube journey. Hopefully you guys wish me good luck as well. I do have a few other channels as well. The Quitty Couple, which is me and my girlfriend. We have a little bit of a podcast that we do. But that's channel is still small as well. This one is brand new. I'm hoping to show you guys a little bit of a journey of starting a YouTube channel, and hopefully you guys can tag along, and hopefully your YouTube channel will be successful using these two easy to use softwares in the future. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck.